smells good. Popcorn. That smells the popcorn. That smells good, the popcorn. Oh, this is the Sultan. Oh, Sultan. Oh, now they have all the, remember earlier, we were here earlier. So we don't have these stops earlier. We got the Salter here. More shops. Jacket. It's $35, $34.98. Reversible. That looks thick. Got more, a lot of poncho, Mexican blanket. My husband looking for something. That's another hoodie tops. And more of a Indians hoodie here, sale hats here. Got cowboy hat here. There's a mannequin, sexy mannequin inside. I'm not going inside, guys. I'm not going inside. Got canvas handbag for $17. Of course, plus tax will cost you $20. And you know what, guys? I have no idea why had so many. They have so many pigs here. They have so many pigs in here, all over the places. I have no idea why. They love pig here, man. They have love pig here. Yeah. It's got more shops in that side and coffee shops. This is nice to be walking around. Right now it's a nice weather.
Yeah, that's good.
Nice weather. So nice weather here to walk around, guys, right now. I believe we're gonna be in the 70s later on. And right now it's about 60 degrees. So like as I said before, probably 16 Celsius. 16 Celsius. And my husband will go check in, and I need to go restroom. Okay. You're gonna check in there, right, babes?
We have to go to 204. Actually, it's right here.
Right here?
No, right here.
Okay. We're going to check in first, guys.
Yeah, there too. It's all the same.
Yeah. And at the same time, we're gonna go ahead.
That's how you keep your hands.
Oh, there, you're gonna check in there. So, have this another pink pig. There you go. Of course, we're gonna be checking in there, guys. Pink Adventure Center. There's like a big. Okay, guys, after a long tour, Ragged Road, and my husband is there. We're tired and hungry, and we're here right now in the open range. We both ordered ribeye steak, medium, and call it cowboy. What's that? Cowboy what? Oh, cowboy steaks. Cowboy steak. And that's from our table. That's our view. So guys, we have the view of the mountain. We get the view of the mountain. We didn't have a chance to go outside, outdoor dining.
Give them some interesting history here. Show the rocks again. There's a reason why it's called Snoopy Rock.
What it calls Snoopy Rock.
Now, if you remember how Snoopy looks when he's lying on top of his doghouse
Yeah.
in the cartoon, you can see him right there, the nose sticking up, and see how his feet are right there.
Ah.
Like the way he lies. Can you see it?
Yeah.
That
the
part
Snoopy
right
dog.
there where I'm pointing?
Yeah.
And now they say if you look a little further up.
Oh, there
This
you
is
go.
what, no, if you look a little further up, the woman in the van mentioned that.
Yes.
And I never noticed that one before, but you can see it looks like Lucy's head. Lucy from the
Oh, yeah, Lucy,
And
Peanuts.
she's watching the TV on it right there.
Oh,
And that's
I
Snoopy.
see.
That's Snoopy down there.
I see. Okay.
That does look like Snoopy. Like Snoopy.
Okay, my husband ordered chopped salads, avocado, pine nuts. That look like some corn. We're still waiting for our steak. Okay guys, this is my steak, medium. Yum. Got vegetable on it and potatoes. I'm ready to eat. Lava cake. Besides walking around the Uptown Sedona, the top attractions is Chapel of the Holy Cross, Bell Rock, Cathedral Rock, Devil's Bridge Trail, Oak Creek Canyon, and of course, go ahead, try to catch those pink tour. And Airport Mesa. Okay, that's guys also very great attractions in Sedona. Tours, of course, all over the places. We just came back from our tour. Coco Pellis of Sedona, native arts and craft jewelry. This one's another one and I like. It's pretty neat. Look at that one. And she's got a baby right behind her. This is like a sculpture. There you go. This is like a 10-foot, like 10-foot sculpture, right? Yeah, it's pretty neat. Made of bronze, guys. 10-foot. More of the shops right across. And of course, a lot of gallery. We still didn't have chance to look at it, the gallery yet. And maybe we'll have to do that later on. The sun didn't come up today. It's just been like this the whole day. And yesterday was sunny, but today was just, we thought we were gonna have a rain, but no rain. It's like no rain, guys, no rain. So I'm not going to edit this, no music. I'm just gonna upload it as it is. And as I said, I'm just trying to share with you guys a little bit what is look like the Uptown area. And This is like one of the pig.
Those aren't pigs.
This is not pigs. That's what my husband says. They're like razor.
They're a cousin of the hippo.
Oh, they're cousin of the hippo. That's what they said. Cousin of the hippo. Remember that, guys. Cousin of the hippo. And they're all over the places. See, this is mall jewelry that I have to show it to you guys. Mall jewelry here. Just look at that one. Oh, this is pretty neat. This one is pretty neat. Gypsy Jenny, and there's another one. They said this is a cousin of the hippo. See?
I'm trying to remember the word for them. They're javelinas or javelinas.
Jabalinas. This is call it jabalinas. And they have a sharp teeth, guys. This is because sharp teeth. You don't want to meet this in the middle of your hiking. You'll be like really running. Really running. There's more shops, guys. There are more shops right there. There you go. More shops. There's one in there. Somebody's playing the what you call that one? Symphony? Harmony symphony? Xylophones?
Those are xylophones.
Xylophones. There's somebody. See those guys there's in the bottom? There's xylophones that you can play. We did that this morning. And I'm probably just gonna upload that too.